Unfortunately, real estate, and especially flipping real estate, attracts a lot of get-rich-quick people. People think you can make money overnight without putting in any time, energy, or effort. I always know when I'm talking to the get-rich-overnight crowd when they ask how fast they can get paid before asking how to even do it. Now, it is true, you can make a lot of money relatively quickly flipping houses, but as most people learn right away, it does take work, and sometimes it takes a while to get that first deal, and sometimes even longer to build a sustainable business where you flip houses consistently. So if you want to get rich overnight without putting in any work, this video is not for you. If you want to get rich faster than pretty much anything else out there, and you're willing to hustle and put in the work, this video is for you. On this video, I'm going to show you the 2 areas that take the most time and a 60-day game plan to go from zero to a big fat check. Coming up is how to make money fast in real estate. Hi, it's Jerry Norton, and many would consider my personal journey with real estate an overnight success. I went from digging holes in construction in my mid-20s, earning minimum wage, to becoming a millionaire by the age of 30. But no one talks about the blood, sweat, and tears that went into that. The ups and downs and the deals that lost money, the late nights and the sacrifices. But make no mistake, you can make a lot of money quickly flipping houses if you learn how to do it. The fastest way to see a check in real estate is with wholesaling, because you get paid upfront when the property sells on the purchase. When it comes to wholesaling, there are 2 areas that take time and determine how fast you can make money. The better and more efficient you get at doing these 2 areas, the faster you'll make money. Now, I'm going to break it down for you, but first, if we've never met, I'm Jerry Norton, and this channel is dedicated to helping you make money right now in real estate, not later in 10 or 20 years, or even 3 to 5 years, but right now so that you can achieve true financial freedom and live your dream life. Consider subscribing to my channel. Click the bell icon to get notified when new videos are released. The first area of wholesaling is the most time consuming, and that's time to find a deal and get a contract with a motivated seller. Now, most new flippers grossly underestimate this process. They think they can go get a real estate agent, make a few offers and get a deal, or call a few leads and land a contract, or send a few postcards and have the phones ringing off the hook. Now, while that certainly can happen and does happen occasionally, it's the exception to the rule, not the norm. The reality is you often have to talk to dozens and hundreds of leads and make dozens and hundreds of offers to get a contract. There are 2 measurements that every wholesaler should track. The first is your lead to deal ratio. How many leads does it take for every deal you get? The second ratio is even more important, which is your offer to deal ratio. How many offers does it take to get a deal? Now, I tell my coaching students that in the beginning, count on 100-to-1 offer to deal ratio. That means you're going to make 100 offers to get 1 deal. This sets up the expectations the right way in the beginning. In all of the years I've been coaching on how to build a 6- and 7-figure business flipping houses, the people who make it are the ones who are willing to make 100 offers just to get 1 deal. Most don't make it and quit after making about 20 offers. The reason is most people can't handle the rejection. After getting 20 no's, most people let their negative self-talk take over. They start to think, this doesn't work, there are no deals, sellers all want way more than I can offer. That self-doubt sets in, and the minute you believe it doesn't work, guess what? It doesn't. Instead, train yourself to let the rejection just roll off. It's just a numbers game, that's it. For every no, you are that much closer to a yes. Put in the work, make the offers. It doesn't matter if the seller says no, because if you just make enough offers, you'll get a deal. It's really that simple. Now, over time, as you improve your ability to analyze deals and negotiate with sellers and get better leads, your offer to deal ratio goes way up. It'll go from 100-to-1 to 75-to-1 to 50-to-1 to 25-to-1. That means for every 100 offers, instead of getting 1 deal, you get 4 deals. One of my elite mentoring students has a 7-to-1 offer to deal ratio, which is amazing. Now, if you ask me how long does it take to get a deal, my answer to you is how quickly can you make 100 offers? The second thing that takes time when wholesaling is the time from when you get an executed contract with a motivated seller to the day of closing on the purchase. The day of closing is when your cash buyer steps in and purchases the property, and that's when you actually get your wholesale check. When you sign a contract with a motivated seller, you and the seller must agree on the closing date. Typically, closings are about 30 days from the date of contract. That gives you enough time to find a cash buyer, order title work, and schedule schedule a closing with a title, escrow, or attorney. But you can do it faster if you get everyone ready to close on time. The fastest closing I ever did was 3 days. I got a call from a motivated seller on a Tuesday who was going to lose the property to foreclosure on Friday at 4 p.m. I was at the county assessor's office and redeemed it at 3:30 p.m. on that Friday with 30 minutes to spare. So how long does it take once you find a good deal? Typically 30 days, but as fast as a few days. So conceivably, you could find a motivated seller today, sign a contract, and close in a few days and make $20,000. Possible, but not likely or not sustainable. What I teach my brand new flippers in my elite mentoring program is a 60-day plan to their first check. It's basically how to make 100 offers in the first 30 days to get a contract, and then 30 days to find and secure a cash buyer and close and get paid. Now think about this. What if you could get really good at the process of finding deals, getting contracts, and wholesaling the cash buyers? What if you could do 5 deals in a month that had an average of $10,000 profit per deal? That's $50,000 a month. And what if I could teach you a proven system where you could do that consistently every month? Well, that's exactly what I do in my Fast Track Mentoring program. The goal of the program is to help you build a 6- and 7-figure house flipping business in your market. Now, it is very selective. I don't care if you're brand new or a seasoned pro looking to up your game. I'm looking for people who are 100% committed to building a successful business, and I want to make sure it's someone that I want to spend time with. So that's why to be considered, it's by application and interview only. Now, I don't do this that often, so if you'd like to be considered, just click the link in the description to see if there are any spots open. Now, if you found this video helpful, show some love, like this video, and I'm a big believer in affirmations, so leave a comment and write this: Jerry, I'm committed to making offers no matter how many no's I get, because for every no, I'm that much closer to a yes. There are more than enough deals in my market, and I am open and ready to receive them. Listen, writing it down and saying it is a way to train yourself to believe it and manifest it. Be sure to click the subscribe button and watch this next video where I break down how to make 100 offers a month in a fraction of the time. You want more deals? Make more offers. This video will show you how. And remember, it's not about the money, it's about having the time and freedom to have, be, do, and give everything you want in life. That's what it's all about, and I'll see you on the next video.